Okay. So, and username I have given invalid, but password you can give valid password. So what is the valid password? You can copy from here. So now what is the message? You can get that message. Even message also we need to parameterize. I'm going to take it up that also. So now see here, when you do that, so correct username password, correct password, but username is invalid. What is the message you are getting? This one. See that? You are getting this one. So I'm going to change this again. Here you are getting a flash error. Before we got a flash success. But how can you make a common here? So you can start from here. Build a XPath. You can start from here and do the div. So flash messages. So I'm going to construct an XPath from here. Div @id equal to flash messages slash div. So now whatever the message comes, it will take care of that. So you have to change this thing here. Go here, and where we used that. So here, somewhere here we used. I'm going to change this. But I'm going to remodify this again to prepare a complete function. So I'm going to write a complete function for this. So what I'm going to do, I'll take this entire thing. I'll put one function again. I'll write a function here. So I'm going to write a verification of the function I'm going to write. So I'm going to write a one function here, a small function. So private void, so verify messages. So verify messages, you give string expected. You give the string expected value. So you give your expected message here. What message you want to verify? That's my parameter. So then I'm going to just take it out, and here you put that. I'll keep this here. I'll come back to this. Okay. So here you need to put this variable, expected message variable. That's it. See, you don't need to write every time, no, whenever you want, right? So just call this function. So this is all the function I know you have to use it. That's it. See, I have parameterized so many things. Here one function we parameterized, but this one is, we are not going to repeatedly use that. That's why you can keep it as it is, because you are not using repeatedly, right? Even this also you can replace. You can replace this message verification, right? I'm going to see this. I'll remove this also, and I'll call that function. See that? So that's the how you can replace. Wherever possibility is there, you replace. Same code, right? Same code. So replace that. So verify messages. So I'm going to replace these two lines. That's it. See, we simplified a lot of code. There were so many lines of code, but we simplified. So this is how you need to simplify the code always when there is a necessity. And then you see here also, I will just call verify message. Simple. 2 lines, it is completed. You see that functions we called. So what is this error message? Just call this error message and give that. That's it. Done. Second test also ready. Now execute this. Like that, multiple test cases you have to write. So next, no, when you come to next class, complete this. Login with valid username, invalid password. You have to complete that test case also. So 3 test cases we should have. So now I completed 2 test cases. Third test case you have to write. See, all are passed. All the, see, why this second one is not passed? Valid credentials. Why did it come here? So let me put this statement. Why second test case is not executed? I'm just checking. At the rate test. Invalid credential, invalid username and valid password. So let's execute even that test also. Why it didn't execute? We need to find out the root cause. Yeah, it is executing successfully. No issues, but both of them, why it's not executing, we need to see. Let's go and execute the entire class. So it should show both 2 test methods, 2 test cases it has to show in the report also. Right? Passed 2 of 2. Test passed 2 of 2 tests. So 5 seconds, 989 microseconds it took. So this is the how you can find it out, writing more test cases. So complete the third test case. That's a task for you. And no, come back next week. We'll see alerts and frames. We'll see next week. Okay. Thank you all. So Bhargav and Mahesh, you have to focus on the basics first. How to identify the elements, what are the methods are there. And Bhargav, I don't know what you are joining, but single question also you are not answering. I think you are just body only present.
No, sir, I'll correct.
Correct, right? Mind, you
I
have
will
to
correct
put
it.
mind, man.
I will correct it, sir.
Even Mahesh, you will do a lot of, so see, when you come into camera, I'm seeing you are not concentrating clearly. If there is no camera, I don't think you will focus here. Even camera also there, you are doing a lot of extra things. There is no focus here. I am seeing that. That's not the right way, man. Still, you are not feeling the heat. I think you will face a lot of problems. If you go into the MS, they will screw you. Anything like that. If you are like that, they will say get out of the class. Simply they will say get out of the class and you are never going to pass they are never going to give the marks for you. They are very strict in the MS. If discipline is not there, you will face a lot of problems in the life also. I see that you are not concentrating properly.
Concentrating, sir.
Bhargav present, but Bhargav is not focusing on the class. Only just listening. That's it. And what is happening also, if he doesn't understand, he is not asking. That's not the right way. You should ask the questions if you don't understand. Sir, can you repeat it? How it is derived? How it is, for which formula you used there? You should ask those questions. First basics you missed it. Learning the basics. What is WebDriver? How WebDriver is created? How these methods are, what this method is doing, each method, and object identification. All you missed. That's why you are facing problems. Okay. See you guys. I want to see the progress. So if anybody not
Definitely.
asks,
Definitely, sir.
coming to the next classes, straight away I'm going to slap you guys. Task doing is a very important. I'm not going to allow you also into the class. The basics, all the methods I want, driver methods, browser methods, navigate methods, switch to methods, locators. You should know how to identify the element in the browser or selectors hub. You need to write XPath and CSS selectors. All the CSS selectors and XPath. Next time onwards, every element comes, I will ask you guys only. I'm not going to write it. I will ask you only first. Then I will write the code. And I'll ask syntax. So click method syntax. So how to type method syntax. And clear method syntax. So drop down. So how to select an option from drop down. All this code you have to tell to me. Then you decide how many hours you need to spend. Mahesh, you have a concern. If you are not coming with all these things next class, I won't allow you into my class. You are out of my class completely. Tell your mom I'm so you're very strict. I given a lot of chances to you, but you are not improving. That means there is no sincere attempt is going from your side. Completely you are out of discipline. And even Bhargav, you are just present. I don't know why. Start basics, sir. Start basics.
Sure, sir.
First learn the basics. Understand. If you don't understand, call Harshini or Navya or so Sharif. If you don't want call ladies, call Vishnu or Sharif. He knows that.
I will go for Kamal sir.
Bug him. So Sharif, do you have any problem to bug you?
No. Awesome.
You will also learn. So Sharif also can learn and you will also learn if you discuss.
Okay.
Don't put again in Batakani, okay?
No.
Talk only on topic.
Okay.
So you waste time and that's a money, right? You're wasting a time means you're spending the money. Learn that things, at least values. You just learn the values of time. Time is very crucial. Still you are in the college mood only, man. Come out of that. College is over. See the real fact of life, struggles. And your parents are earning and they are struggling and they are giving money, you are spending. If you don't have money, you will learn that value of that money, how to earn this. Then you will sit. But still you are not coming into that mood. I don't know why. Okay, thank you guys. I have another class. Every week I am taking class, but you are not taking the positivity of this class. Take a positive attitude. Okay, why Ramesh sir is telling this? That words are for my personal growth or your personal growth? right? For your professional growth, and you will grow if you follow the disciplined manner. If you do the tasks, you will get benefited. I am not going to get benefited, right? Okay, thank you all guys. So I hope you can come up with a good skill set by next week. Okay, yeah, thank you all. Bye. Okay, so good morning, good evening, guys. Let's
Sir,
get.
it is still recording.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.